It was an ordinary morning when I woke up with a sudden realization that I had been procrastinating for far too long. There were so many things on my to-do list that I kept putting off, and it seemed like I couldn't muster up the motivation to get started. I knew I needed to take action, but I just didn't know how. Welcome back to another episode of our motivational audio series with Tony, where we explore the depths of personal growth and development. Today's topic is procrastination, and in this episode we shall delve deep into the reasons behind it and how to overcome it. Have you ever found yourself scrolling through social media instead of completing an important task? Or maybe you've put off a project until the last moment and found yourself working frantically to finish it. These are just a couple of examples of procrastination, and we all have experienced it at some point in our lives. But why do we procrastinate? Is it because we're lazy or lack motivation? Or is there something more to this behavior? Research suggests that procrastination is often linked to our emotions and a fear of failure. It's our brain's way of protecting us from potential stress or anxiety that may arise from accomplishing a task. So how do we overcome procrastination and take action? The key is to identify the root cause of our behavior and take small steps towards change. For instance, if you're feeling overwhelmed, break the task into smaller, more manageable chunks. This can help alleviate the stress and give you a sense of accomplishment that will motivate you to keep going. Another method is to set deadlines and hold yourself accountable for meeting them. Having a specific timeline can create a sense of urgency and prevent you from putting off the task until later. And lastly, find what motivates you and use it to your advantage. Whether it's rewarding yourself after completing a task or seeking support from others, find what works for you and stick to it. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this motivational episode on overcoming procrastination and taking action. Remember, change is possible, and it starts with taking that first step towards progress. Be sure to join us again for more tips and inspiration on personal growth and development.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.